So it's successfully deployed. uh, Here you can get your contract address, create new file here and save it here. Okay, now let's move on to create a website. For that we need to run this command inside ICO folder. Let's run it. uh, Open it in integrated terminal. Here it is. Okay, so front end app is created, that is next.js app. Now let's run it and see it on localhost. Now let's open an integrated terminal. Now let's run this yarn dev. Okay, so just basically started. Now click on this URL. I open it multiple times. Now let's see. Sorry, I have mistakenly ran uh, the other lesson application, which is NFT collection, that we have already done. Let's close it and close this terminal. Go to ICO and open it in integrated terminal. There it is. Now we are in ICO folder. So that's the correct part. Yarn dev. Now click on it. Okay, here it is. So we have created a sample next.js application. Now let's move on. Let's add the package. Let's close it and open it in integrated terminal again, and then just run command web3 model. So what is web3 model? Web3 model is an easy to use library to help developers and supporters of multiple providers in their app with a simple customizable configuration. By default, Web3 model library supports injected providers like MetaMask, dApps, Gnosis, Safe, Frame, Web3 browsers, etc. You can easily configure the library to support others also. So that's how it is a library which support the different wallets. Here it is. It's GitHub library. It's GitHub repository. Here you can see that. Web3 model is a versatile library that makes it super easy to connect users with your dApp. Start interacting with blockchain. So it will provide you simple functions that you can use in your dApp to connect with the wallets. Now let's see. Yes, it is installed successfully. Now we have the other package that we need to install is add ethers that we also require to contact with our dApp application.